Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about car design. The toy car we can design that we can moving on the slope in bottom to top and top to bottom. How to it be moved? Okay, what are the problems you can be created? I can discuss in clearly. Okay, first we have to select new and assembly. Directly you can go for a car assembly. And select a new component and browse, and you can select it. The slope structure you can be selected, and then it should be fixed. And again you can select the insert component and the car outer case. You can select OK, and just you have to locate on here, and again browse it, select wheel, again you go to select wheel, otherwise you just go to copy and control C and control V, automatically new wheel should be copied. And select matte command and advanced matte. Just you have to select outer surface of the wheel, two outer surfaces and two outer surface of the car. Okay, it should be aligned in center. It's a advanced width matte. Again advanced width matte you can select another one wheel, both direction, and the car both direction automatically should be centrally disaligned. Okay, disaligned. Okay, now it is going to normal constant matte. Select the inner surface of the wheel location. Okay, the select a wheel and then okay, now the car assembly is completed. Going to select another advanced width matte. Select both sides of car and then both sides of the slope building. Okay, it should be matted, and it should be drag it and locating on the exact position of the car should be locating here. Okay, now we are going to select select tangent command to select the tangent, and then select it for circumference and the surface of the floor. The two wheels can be tangentially fixed. Okay, now going to select a motion study. Here going to select a motor. It's a linear motor, should be selected on one end of the car. Should be transaction speed is around 50 mm per second. And again going to select constant the rotary motor. Okay, it should be speed is RPM should be 50. Okay, again another wheel and the same RPM should be 50. Okay, now going to give all 4 wheels you can give in for the speed, the rotary motion to be given. Okay, the rotary motion axis, and that's given 50 RPM. Just want to change the flip direction. Okay, both of same direction. This is the opposite direction. Just want to flip it, and again you can select another one surface, another one wheel. This RPM is also 50. Okay, now it is completed. Now we can calculate. So automatically it should be moving towards the top to bottom surface. Now we can increasing the timing 18 seconds to 20 seconds. We can increase. Now we can calculate again. We can select a calculate only. Cannot be play in the sense cannot be do like that. For the same previous one, it can be moving. Can calculate itself. Can directly moving up to the surface. Okay, it is completed. Again you can play now. It is moving downward direction. Okay, it should be excellently moving in top to bottom surface reached. Okay, now going to rebuild and save. Top to bottom surface. Okay, now going to close it and open the another one assembly. Again insert, browse, select the wall, and you can select it car. This is to be changed the axis. Okay, and again going to select a wheel. Again M10 the wheel is to be just click and copy and paste. Control V and Control C is also new component should be reached. Again you can select advanced mat with command. Select outer surface of the wheel, two side of the wheel, and we can select the two side of the car. Automatically the center location automatically they can predict. You can assemble here. Again you can select out with mat, two side of the car and two side of the wheel. Okay, now going to normal mat, concentric, and you can select inner circle. Okay, inner surfaces, circumference, and inner surface of the car, and same thing inner surface of the wheel and inner surface of the car. First you have to drag it. Before that going to select the same width mat for now we can moving on bottom to top. So select the width advanced mat with two side of the car and select two side of the wall. Okay, it is be locating on center. Now going to the tangent, normal standard mat, tangent, select circumference, outer surface of the wheel and the floor. Okay, and again going to another wheel and select it, outer surface and inner surface, just go to flick, should be changed. Okay, it is to be matted. Now it is fixing on center location. Now it is moving. Click in motion study and you can give a motor speed, linear motor first one, be applying on bottom to top. The RPM is 50, sorry, meter per mm per second is 50 and the RPM is also 50. Given the wheels, again another one motor, the RPM is 50. Okay, now we can on the another side of the wheel RPM we can give in all the directions should be same direction. That is what the car is moving in a smoother manner, otherwise we create a problem. Okay, I should to change the rotation angle. I should to check it, all the motors are same angle. Okay, now we can calculate. Before that we can increasing the time, wait few minutes. This time click the inner side of the analysis mode, that is what you can running. Okay, now going to animate, calculate, it is moving very smoother manner, clearly define the path to be moving in bottom to topwards. Okay, thank you for watching IR Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.